Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own @yours on Instagram story. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram app and we're going to create the story first. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this story button. Then choose the picture that you want to make it as your Instagram story, and I'm just going to choose this picture. After that, if you want to add @yours option, we can click on the sticker button. Then click on @yours right here. Alright, and you can write the prompt. For example, I'm going to write spill your gallery wallpaper. If you want to share the story, we can simply click on your story. Alright, and click on not now because I don't want to share the story to Facebook. And let's check it together, guys. Alright guys, and that's how you can make your own @yours on your Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.